Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Roblox on PC. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. In order to do this, it's very easy, and to actually update here, all you want to do is actually load up roblox.com and you want to load up any game. So once you click the play button to load up a game, then you're gonna see it's going to get a Roblox now loading yet, get ready. And generally what's going to happen when it starts up Roblox, this is going to automatically update. So sometimes it is the case that doesn't always update when you start up a game. So if you're experiencing that, and you'll get no problem, so you'd end up games or you're getting error codes or glitches with the games, then the best thing you can do is actually to uninstall and reinstall Roblox. By doing this, what you're going to do is actually download and install the latest version of the Roblox player, which is of course going to be the most up-to-date version, and it's going to prevent any sort glitches, all error codes or anything along those lines. So if you've tried this and for example you've been getting an error code and you've gone ahead and opened up a game and it's not updating for any reason, all you're going to want to do is come back to your desktop like so, and it's coming down to the bottom left hand corner. And in the search box down here, you're going to want to type add or remove, and then just want to click onto the add all remove programs up. That's going to come up in the menu, and what's going to happen, it's going to load up the apps and features menu. So to do this, what you want to do is click onto the search box here, and you can just simply go ahead and type Roblox. You'll see this is going to load up the Roblox player. So all you need to do is give this a click and you'll see the uninstall button down here. So what you want to do is go ahead and uninstall Roblox like so, and then to reinstall Roblox, all you need to do is come to roblox.com. I want you to log in. You want to click onto any of these games, and what's going to happen, it's going to reinstall Roblox player, and of course by doing that, that's going to install the most up-to-date version, therefore preventing any glitches or error codes from popping up. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.